Hi, this is Rob Leo, and in this 2-minute drill, we're going to take a look at how you can make a copy of a file in your Google Drive. Let me share my screen with you. I'm here in my Drive, and I'm going to open up a folder. Looks like I have a folder within a folder, and I want to make a copy of a document. So let's take this Pokemon here. I'm going to right-click and select Make a Copy. When the new copy is made, you're going to notice a title, Copy of, whatever the original title was. And if you want to rename this, you can right-click and rename and press OK when you're done. It's going to hold true for any file you have. In fact, if you select more than one file, let's go into the 2-minute drill folder one more time. And this time we'll select multiple files. I have some PowerPoints and some Word documents here, Microsoft Excel. I'm going to select all three. And to do that, I clicked on one and used the Shift key and selected the last one in the series. So it selected all three files consecutively. And with a right click, I'm going to make a copy. I'm going to copy each one of those files so there'll be duplicates of each. So now notice I have copy of a PowerPoint, copy of a Word doc, and copy of an Excel spreadsheet. Same is going to hold true for any file that you select or files that you select. If you select multiples, it'll produce copies with a title of copy of the original. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.